Today we are making Turkish caramelized quince, Ayva Tatlısı. It serves 8 people and takes about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Get ready for tender, rosy quince with creamy Kaymak and a pistachio crunch. First, let's check the ingredients. For medium quinces, halved and cored, with the seeds reserved. These are the star of the dessert and will turn rosy and tender. 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar. This will caramelize into a deep amber syrup. 2 cups of water. This loosens the caramel into a silky syrup. 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. It prevents browning and brightens the syrup. 1 cinnamon stick. It adds gentle warmth to the quince. 4 whole cloves. Just enough to perfume the syrup. 1 cup of Kaymak or thick clotted cream for serving. It adds luscious richness. 1/4 cup of crushed pistachios for garnish. A crunchy, nutty finish. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Rinse the quinces, peel them if you like, then cut each one in half lengthwise. Core them carefully and reserve all the seeds in a small bowl. Rub the cut surfaces of the quince halves with 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice to prevent browning. In a wide shallow copper pan, spread the sugar in an even layer. Cook over medium heat without stirring until it melts and turns deep amber, about 5 to 8 minutes. Carefully add 2 cups of water to the caramel in a slow stream, stand back from the steam, and stir until the caramel fully dissolves. Add the remaining 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, the reserved quince seeds, the 1 cinnamon stick, and the 4 cloves. Simmer for 2 minutes to tint and perfume the syrup. Place the quince halves cut side up into the pan with the syrup, arranging them in a single layer. Spoon syrup over each quince to coat, then cover the pan with the lid slightly ajar. Simmer on low heat until the quinces begin to soften, basting every 10 minutes, for about 45 to 60 minutes depending on ripeness. Flip the quinces cut side down to deepen the color and continue simmering for 15 minutes, basting often. Once the quinces are tender and rosy, remove the lid and simmer to thicken the syrup until it coats a spoon, about 5 to 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the quinces rest in the syrup for 10 minutes. Using a spoon, transfer the quince halves to a simple tray or board, cut side up, and spoon over some of the thickened syrup. Top each warm quince with a spoonful of Kaymak from the 1 cup set aside. Sprinkle the 1/4 cup of crushed pistachios evenly over the tops. Spoon extra syrup into a small bowl to serve alongside, and keep the quinces warm or let them come to room temperature. For a glossy finish, spoon a little hot syrup over the tops just before serving. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. That is our Turkish caramelized quince. If you liked this video, tap like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more delicious recipes.